For this module, we're going to look at how to create and combine PDF documents from Word documents. In this case, we've got two Word documents that we're going to combine. So we'll select both of those. Then we'll right-click and then select Combine Files in Acrobat. This will load both documents. And as you can see, these are not in order. So in order to put them in order, we can drag one to one side or the other. And now you can see they're both in order. So we'll click on Select Multiple, click on the first document, then click on the second document, and then click on Combine Files. Now, depending on the number of documents that you have here and the length of each document, this could take quite some time. The manual method of printing PDFs using an Acrobat Distiller is actually quite a bit quicker, but it requires a lot of manual intervention, manual work. With this kind of setup, if you have a ton of documents, and sometimes the translators will give you 10, 20, 30 different documents, chapters. This is a great way to accomplish combining these PDFs, because you can just tell it to do it and you can go off and do something else. You can minimize the window, let it go ahead and work on its own. Usually if I have just a few documents to create PDFs from, I'll use the manual method, which we'll talk about in another module. But if I have a lot of documents, Word documents, to convert and combine to PDF, I'll use this method. For this tutorial, we only have two. That's just because it's just for time purposes. So now we have the document. This is the combined document that's come up. And so we're going to save in the appropriate location, which is not up here. So we're going to have to choose a different folder and go to the correct path. Which is, in this case, it's going to be in BLI files and Russian, and volume 09 BOT, which is Psalms. And we're going to just save that to that location. So that's the end of our tutorial on how to create and combine PDFs from Word documents.